So, hi friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. I came with some of the important opportunity from the various company like L&T and for the Vishang, this is the kind of important role and the one working drive. So, talking about the first important opportunity that is from the L&T post graduation registration by 2026 aerospace technology from the aviation domain. So, if you are from the aviation domain, then you can apply. The last day to apply for this is June 10, and this is a wonderful opportunity. Okay, so if you know any person who are doing aerospace technology or from aviation domain, can they can apply. And this is a pan India work location, so you should be willingness to join before 30 June, and the only requirement is you should be having good communication skill. Talking about the salary breakdown, you can see a total compensation you will be getting this, and total around 6,33,000 will be there. Moving to next, and this is a important drive. Okay, so Vishang N recruitment for software developer 2026 B BTech CSIT can apply. The requirement is minimum 60% you should be there, and minimum 2 year experience are required. So this is for some experience guide. If you have some knowledge or in this domain, then you can apply for this wonderful. Okay, means like the Java based ERP software development will be preferred. So you can just refer to this. Okay, so this is for the role software developer positions. A number of openings total 15 are there, and contract basis outsourcing will be there. Okay, preferred skill you can check here, Java based experience. Okay, so if you are, then you can apply for that. Moving to next and last important thing, that is from the SDET software development company. So this is a working application form for June. So the job location for this will be Noida sector 59. So if you are the 2022 to 2025 pass out, you can apply. The requirement is CS, IT or related streams, or MCA graduates can apply for this. The only requirement is you should be having strong communication skill and interest in software testing and quality assurance. So talking about the selection process for this, there will be various round. First, application screening. So make sure to apply with updated resume. Then online assessment and technical interview will be there. Means first online assessment, then technical assessments and technical interview there. And just you have to provide the basic details, and only if you are from the B, BTech or MCA background can apply. The 2025 or means if you have zero year experience, even if you can apply for this wonderful opportunity. होप इन्फॉर्मेटिव टू फॉर गेटिंग सच इंपॉर्टेंट अपडेट्स यू कैन सब्सक्राइब अस। मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट इंपॉर्टेंट जॉब अपडेट्स में। थैंक यू।